Some Carrier Comfort Series heat pumps. See, that one's from 2015 and this one's from 2014. It's a 3.5 ton, I believe. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, as does this one. Or maybe that's not a Copeland. Oh, that's an LG. Also from 2014. This one's from 2015 and it is a 2-ton. This one has a Copeland. Actually, this one's a 1.5 ton. It's an 18,000 BTU unit. This one's a 2-ton. These all got Chintec motors. And here's this one running. A little frosted. This one's a 2-ton from 2015. There's some train units over here. Mine is cold, so it has not been running. 2019, it's a 5-ton. This one's got a Lane scroll compressor. It's got dual reversing valves. December 2018. This one's a 6-ton, 72,000 BTU unit. This one's from 2019, March of 2019. Guess out.